You have what?
First of all, I would like to thank at retevis shop at eBay. Hi guys, are you looking for the gifts for your kids? Just like for Christmas gift, birthday presents, or in any occasion. This Walkie Talkie is perfect choice. It is one kind of popular children's toys. You can contact your babies, kids at any time when they are out of your sight. It is great for the yard, the house, and anywhere. Just like camping, picnic, or just in home. You can keep in touch while the kids were playing. Surprise!
What is this? Huh? Okay. We'll open this up. Oh wait. This. Oh! Walkie Talkie! Oh my god! Walkie Talkie!
What is it?
Walkie Talkie!
Wow!
Oh! Oh god! No! You can't be kidding. There's two? So Cassie has? Oh. Cassie, here's your walkie talkie. Get it? Thank you, retevis shop walkie talkie. Oh, Daddy, I'm in home now. We have a problem of a building. It's very bad. Would you help us? Over. Like that. Hello, we have a problem of this building. It's very bad. Over. Doing this.
Please.
Should we go back? Should we go back? Cassie, where are you? Over.
Oh no, Adam. Where is Cassie?
I don't know.
The looking signal. Walkie Talk.
What happened? Are you there? What happened? What just happened? I don't get this. What did you say? What did you, huh? What did you say? Are you there? I think she has no signal. Are you alright? I can't even hear you. I can't even hear you. What happened? again.
It switched off?
What did you do? Are you there? Yeah. Oh, wait.
Yeah, okay.
Yay! Oh, it worked. Okay. What?
Can you hear me? I know, can still hear me. There's a fly.
I love you.
There's fly.
You alright?
Yes?
Okay, I'll take your picture, Adam.
Oh, God.
What is the position? You sit down there in the bush?
No.
We're not going there.
What did you say?
We are not going there.
Huh?
We are not going there.
Oh, Adam, can you play with me? On Roblox? I can't play this game, Cassie. It's only for girls. Alright?
Here, I'll show you the product features. This walkie-talkie takes 4 batteries with AAA. It is really easy. There is belt clip so that kids can clip the units to their pocket or elsewhere while they are on the go. By pressing this call tune button, you can inform other radio users in your group that you wanted to talk. When this is pressed, a tone would be transmitted. If you would like switch on or switch off power button, just press and hold this button. When it's getting darker, so press this lamp to turn it on for the flashlight. This button is to detect other channels. Just press this button. The menu button is for switch off or switch on the functions you want to start or you want to stop. This button, MON, is mean monitor button to enable you to continuously monitor the weak signals. If you wanted to talk, just press this talk button and hold it. This button if you wanted to talk, and let go to listen. In this up and down key, if you wanted to select to adjust the volume level. If you wanted to use external speaker or microphone, or give the unit charge through this jack. So guys, please click the link below for this amazing walkie-talkie and you will get through directly to retevis shop at eBay. So thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos from us. Bye!